Okay, I get it. Now every young person wants to start their own business. And I get it. I was just like that too. But there are a lot of mistakes that you are probably not even ready for. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna give you the 3 biggest mistakes that I've made in my journey to starting a business. So let's get to the video. One of the biggest problems that I faced when I first started my first business was that I was focusing too much on getting customers, but I wasn't quite focusing on retaining those clients, on keeping those clients coming back to you. That's one of the best and most crucial parts of business. And if you don't have that structured correctly, you're gonna fail. That happened to me. I lost a lot of businesses because of clients that I would just keep on gathering and gathering and gathering. And then at some point, only 20% of those sticked, because I had a good marketing plan, but I didn't have a good client retention plan, which is part of the game. A lot of the people tell you that you have to have ways of getting clients, how to get new clients, because if a customer walks out of your business and he has something bad to say about your business, not only are you losing one customer, but you're probably losing all of his friends that he's gonna tell that your business is whack. So if you fix that, your business is set to grow. It doesn't matter if you just get one customer per month. As long as you're steadily growing, you should be on a good path if that person is retaining and keeps on coming back to you. And that brings us to the biggest mistake, number 2, which is not having a solid marketing plan to get customers every single month. A lot of the people want to start their own business, but they don't realize how hard it is to actually get customers. Once you start your first business and you start to realize that it's harder than what you think, you're gonna realize that you just got into a big mess if you're not ready for it. Because if you don't have a way to get customers into your business, you're basically running on low cash. And if you're running on low cash, that means that you're barely surviving your business. So one of the things that I would recommend you before you even start your business is to have a solid marketing plan to get customers every single month. And if you don't have this out of the way, you are setting yourself for failure. And the third biggest mistake that I faced when I started my first business was not realizing that this has actually become into a 24/7 type of job, because now your business relies on you. You used to have free time, now you don't. You used to have time to spend time with your friends, now you don't. You are on business 24/7. It doesn't matter if you are in the establishment or not. It doesn't matter if you are having a time off or not. You are actually running a 24/7 business and you don't even know it yet, because things always come up. If something breaks down, you have to be there. If something happens, you have to be there. If there's a problem, you have to be there. If your competitors are doing this, you have to do something better. And this all goes to business. That's why you always have to realize if this is even the right path for you. A lot of people are great at what they do, but maybe the business side of things isn't for them. Maybe they're gonna be better just being the best career professional ever, but when it comes down to actually running the business, they realize that it's not what they expected in the first place. That's why you see a lot of businesses go bankrupt, because not because they're good at that skill set, it also means that they're going to be good at the scale of business, because it's a whole different ballgame. You have to understand that if you are good at what you're doing, think about it twice if you are ready to start and learning a new skill set, which is the skill set of business. You are now learning how to do marketing by yourself. You're learning how to lead people, how to persuade, how to sell, how to structure, how to organize, how to run a team, paperwork, accounting, taxes, etc. You are doing all of these things and by your own, because now you are a business owner and you have a whole team of people that relies on you. Now ask yourself if that's something that you want to get into. So those were my 3 biggest mistakes that I faced when I started my first business. Now I want you to think to yourself twice if this is really something that you want to get into. This might be the best thing for you, but it might not be the best thing for you right now. Maybe you have a lot to learn yet. Maybe you have a lot of skills to master first. Maybe you have a lot to go first. Because if you are gonna open something just because you're feeling rushed into, you're gonna go bankrupt, and that probably is gonna traumatize you for the next time that you try things out. So I guarantee you that if I can give you the best tip ever, is to actually learn the best fundamental skills within your career and then learn business skill set on the side so you can be ready for it. My name is Isaac Vera. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what videos you guys want to see of in the comments. My name is Isaac Vera. Follow me on Instagram, IsaacVera.official. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.